PN Composite Limited was set up using the initials of the entrepreneur's parents. Let us share our story of manufacturing with responsibility. Responsibility towards products, environment, and our dedicated team. Where we knit your dream, where machines join their hands to produce the dream you wear. Headquartered at Gulshan 1 Dhaka, PN Composite Limited has been manufacturing and exporting quality knitwear from Bangladesh, operating with glorious reputation, in operation since 2006. Its clientele is well spread across the world. PN Composite, by way of successful winning of certificates and accreditations. Since inception, PN Composite export has been increasing in an exponential fashion. PN Composite, however, produces and exports high-quality knit apparel in both fashion and casual categories for all of the age and gender groups, while it has got exclusive expertise in knitwear manufacturing. About 3,000 people are working with this group now. For them, PN Composite is more than compliant, more than required by the ILO, as well as local and international labour conventions and factory acts and provisions. Adherent to a very high standard of industrial relations, PN is keen to make itself the safe and secured second home for employees working here. And we also believe in women empowerment. With UL standard fire door, auto pump, fire hydrant and auto sprinkler, its firefighting preparation is of world standard. PN Composite runs regular training sessions to keep its people trained and ready for effective emergency evacuations. PN provides them recreation facilities and several other bonus and benefits. It provides them financial grants in some specific needs for its commitment to the welfare of the community. PN Composite has prayer facility for all religions. A workers' welfare committee is here to develop awareness among employees and workers about their rights and responsibilities. It runs an effluent treatment plant of contemporary technology, which, at the capacity of 80 cubic meters an hour, clenches dyeing effluents. It has gas-burn power generators with backup sets of diesel-operated generators. It has a LAN and WAN-based multi-component IT system offering internet connectivity to ensure high-speed access round the clock. Besides, highly capable merchandising units and height of professional excellence at pre-production preparations solidify the smoothest headway towards the total quality and speed in producing. PN Composite now knits 24 tons grey fabric every day. It uses worldwide reputed machines for knitting. It has an auto-dispensing unit for chemical and dye stuff distribution to the dyeing house. For dyeing, it uses the world champion machines from the world leading makers. It has wet dyeing and dyeing finishing facilities, as well as sophisticated tubular and open width finishing machines. Equipped with most modern machineries and technologies, its laboratory is an indispensable part to play a critical role at all of its production phases. PN Composite has got all-over printing, sublimation and screen printing facilities. In up to 12 colors together, it can print 60,000 pieces of garments. In all-over printing, it can process about 7 tons of fabrics every day. PN Composite has latest embroidery facility. It uses the hottest computer-aided systems for pattern and marker development. Its efficient sample section, however, thrives to ensure each piece of apparel it makes would be an identical reproduction of the approved samples. Using world's best auto spreaders, its fabric cutting solutions thrive to ensure maximum utilization of fabrics. Each of its sewing floors is purpose designed on about 25,000 square feet per floor of working space. Its sewing floors are invariably made self-sufficient with all of required facilities. And therefore, in this unique working condition here, PN Composite is now producing about 2 million pieces of high-quality knit apparel every month. The process inventory is passed through careful, in-line and end-of-the-line quality checking systems. Ironing and meticulous final quality checking are done to conform to AQL 1.5. Then, passing through needle and metal detecting machine, packing of apparel takes place in the demarcated enclosure which conforms to CTPAT requirements. Under the same care and surveillance, its logistics fleet carries its cargoes to the appropriate destinations on time. Yes, PN Composite is working for a better tomorrow by means of a shared and sustainable approach.